Now let's return to the quiz. So you were not able to remember focusing on the geography already. So you need to know you should be able to draw the map of the world. If I ask the map of the 7 continents and 5 oceans, you need to be able to write down the name of the oceans and the name of the continent like this. Okay? There is 7 continents, not 6 continents. Sophia. 7 continents, not 6. You tell me the name?
Asia, Europe,
Huh?
Africa,
Africa, good job.
South America, North America, Australia, and a continent is very cold, but I do not remember.
Antarctica. Very good. Okay, so next time I ask you to make your homework, describe and talk about volcanoes. And I know which volcano is one of the most famous volcano in the world with the biggest eruption in the world. Is the one in Italy because I went there, so I know it. I know that I went to that volcano site and I saw everything. That's why I asked you to do it so we can talk about it. So let's do a quiz.
It is stop.
Yeah, it stopped working. People believe that it stopped working, but we don't know what would happen.
Oh dear.
It's dangerous. It have been, it have been, it has stopped, I think, for many years, 100 years, but we don't know whether it come back to life or not.
Okay.
Okay, now we're going to do this quiz. Number 1, Peter.
A volcano is usually
Volcano.
volcano is usually a mountain that has an opening at the top. This opening is called
Sophia.
crust. Crust.
What about Sophia?
I think it's ash.
Okay. Volcano is usually a mountain that has an opening at the top. This is opening. This opening is called
Crater. Crater.
It could not be ash. It could not be lava. It can be either one of these. A or B, Peter, Sophia, choose one.
I.
A, crater.
I choose B because it is my answer.
Okay. Crater. Its name is opening name is crater. Okay, this is its name. Okay, so you should write down the new words. Good job, Peter. Thank you. Always take a note, okay? Okay, so far the next question.
Lava, ash, and fire come out of the crater. I think it's smoke. Fire.
Okay. What? Fire come out from the volcano?
Yes.
What about Peter? What do you think that come out from the volcano with the lava?
I think it's smoke.
Smoke. Okay, I've been through your answers, but I don't know what is correct or not. The smoke sound, not the fire. You don't call it fire.
When I study science, I have studied about it.
Oh, okay, great. You study about it in at the school?
Yes.
All right.
This is a volcanic eruption.
Eruption. Very good. That's why I asked you to do a lot of research about volcano in the last time. Next one, Sophia.
The hard liquid rock inside the volcano is called the lava.
The hot liquid rock inside
No,
the
no,
volcano is
no,
called
no,
lava.
no, no.
Peter,
No. Magma. The B, magma. Fruit.
which 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 answer, Sophia?
Fruit. Mm.
No, Sophia, you would say
Magma.
lava, which is quite similar to magma.
Oh.
Okay, not
Manga. Once magma
magma.
come
Okay,
out is cold. Once magma come out. I
what
think it's lava.
thing is lava? What is lava, Peter?
Lava is I think
Now
it's the magma.
you know what is lava. Magma comes out and it's called lava. The
Oh,
lava, the lava is when the magma come out from the volcanoes and it gets moving on the way.
when a when a volcano can still erupt, it is a is a active volcano.
Brava! It is an active volcano. Active volcano. That means it's still working. It's still living. Let's say it's still living. It's not a living thing. So we don't say living. We say active lava, active volcano, and it's dangerous. Stay away from it. Okay, Peter.
When it's been so long since the last eruption of a
Eruption.
volcano,
Eruption.
eruption of a volcano, we say that it uh, is an acid.
It's been so long since the last eruption. That means
Dormant.
good job, Sophia Dormant. When it's been
Yes.
so long since the last eruption of a volcano, that means it's been 100 years ago. The volcano was the volcano erupted, but it and then it didn't erupt for many years. Many years the volcano go to sleep, dormant. It means volcano sleep.
Okay.
Okay, so the volcano just go to sleep, but it's not dead. It just go to sleep. It's still an active volcano, but it's just sleeping. And when the volcano wake up, that means there will be another eruption. Okay, so it's a dormant volcano. Sophia,
Which of these is not a type of volcano? Is the site?
Geo, not a type of volcano. Peter,
A.
A. No, not a tire
No.
volcano.
Oh,
There is no cylinder volcano.
cylinder. I want to choose this.
What?
I want to choose this.
You want to what?
I will choose this, but I will choose the cylinder, but
Okay. So you could never see a volcano in the shape of cylinder, but you could see the shape of the cinder cone or the shield. All right, next one, number 9. Peter,
how many of the Earth's volcanoes are, are located in the Pacific Rings of Fire?
fire.
Um,
Pacific Ring of
Fire.
Fire.
How many of the Earth's volcanoes? What the are located. What mean located?
Located mean stay, mean okay, I make an example like this. Peter, your house is located in Nam Định. My house is located in Hanoi.
Oh,
Sophia's house is located in Thái Nguyên. That locates me.
Same with live or
Same like live or stay at, live at, yeah.
Oh, I think it did 75.
75. I know this is a new information for you. It's okay if you make a mistake here. Okay, here I'm going to tell you why they call the Pacific Ring of Fire, because along this place you find all of the volcanoes, active volcanoes,
yes, I know,
still working. So that means it had a lot of it, a lot of them. So it means more than 50%, 75. Okay, Sophia.
I study about it.
Great.
A volcano is formed from a crack in Earth.
What is this? What do you call this one inside the Earth?
It's middle.
In the core.
In the core. Good job. Oh, what did it say?
Oh,
of course. Sorry. Okay. In the core. What was the question again? Let me see. Why was the question the answers go wrong? Let me see. The question was from a crack. Okay, sorry. From a crack. The crack is in the crack. That is correct. The crack, that means like for example, like the land cracking. When you see the land crack, it could form the volcano. Or the crack from the ocean. When the continent move up and down, it make the volcano. That is the crack. That's why it's called the volcano is formed from a crack in the earth crust. Correct.
I don't understand.
You don't understand? Let me show you that one, okay? Let me show the video.
That's good.
Right. Here, I think in this video you have that one.
Through the and secondary site events, common volcanic events, and
here. So when you see the land on the land side, you see the cracking. This one.
It's some.
Here, like this one. This one is easy to understand.
Okay.
Oh, it go down and
it's
events.
Normally it would form from the, let's say it was from the moving of the continent, right? So when the soil, or let's say the surface of the soil, the continent moving up and down, left and right, it hit each other. Okay, understand that, Sophia, Peter, if the Australia, continent Australia move and hit Asia, then you have the crack. You have the crack, right? When you hit something, it's cracking, and that's why the volcano could form from that crack.
Oh, it's
like this one.
The moving and
this is Australia, and this This
And
is
it's
Asia, and the ocean that hit
Watch
Asia.
each other.
it hit it and
Ah,
the Mike Mountain
It's
and
create this one. It's make
and
the
it has
coastline of collapse or hit. I'm talking about a big example. It could not be Australia and Asia. It could be Thái Nguyên and Nam Định. It could be your house and your friend house. It could hit each other and cause a crack. It could be small. It could be big. Okay. What Peter is writing?
right.
Oh,
I don't understand.
here what it say? The crack.
okay. In the
Earth
the
crust.
okay and and in
So
the
when the land moving up and down and the land got some cracking, that it could cause the volcano formation. Sophia, did you see the chart? Did you see
and
what I
bulging.
said on the chart?
Yes.
Okay, so it's all right. You need to take time to understand it because it's really advanced. It's really advanced English. It's very high level in English. It's not easy to understand it right away. We need to listen more. You need to watch more videos about what we're learning.
Volcano.
Yes, not only volcano. For example, last time I asked you to work on the 7 continents and the 5 oceans. You have to listen a lot about that, so you understand what you learn, what you listen. After many times, you will be able to understand it. Okay. Okay, and we're gonna keep on talking about this, so don't worry. But now we're gonna be talking something a little bit more easier, a little bit easier. Okay, so last time we were talking about weathers and the season, right?
Yes.
always weather and
No,
season.
it's gonna be something funnier. There are some kind of dangerous weathers that you need to stay away. Do you know what are
The food?
flood? Not flood.
Flood.
Good job, Peter. There are some dangerous weather. We call that one extreme weathers. Let's say these are some typical weather effects, which is normal. This is normal weather effects, okay? The first line.
I like rainbow. Exactly.
Yeah, me too. Okay, when do you see the rainbow, Sophia, Peter?
I
Rainbow?
see the rainbow when it's rainy and you have some sun. You will see the rainbow.
Very good. You could see the rainbow when it's rainy and sunny at the same time. Or that's why if you go to the water fountain, Sophia, if you go to the water fountain and there's in a sunny day, you can see the rainbow in that water fountain.
Oh.
So you don't need to wait for the rain. You just need to go to the water fountain and see it. Or if you go out of your house on a rainy day, Sophia, and use a hose to spray the water. So you know what is the hose? Let me show you.
Oh. Also,
If you use the hose. Okay, here we go. This one. Let me.
Oh. Oh, I see this one. This is the...
Okay, so have you already see this one? See this line? It's
Yeah.
I can hear you.
You can get the water from the hose. Get the water from the hose. And if you spray the water with the hose under the sun, you can see the rainbow too. Because it's raining and sunny at the same time, you can see the rainbow. So you can use hose to make water come out like the rain. And you can see the rain though. Okay,
Yes,
now
yeah.
we're gonna reflect up. There are some kind of weather effects like sunny, cloudy. Sophia?
Yeah, sunny, cloudy, partly cloudy, rain, storm, foggy, snow, strong winds, tornado, rainbow.
Tornado.
Miss
Very good.
Lau, in Sunday, I go to have a picnic with my mom's company.
Oh, really? This weekend, this Sunday?
Yes.
Picnic where?
Picnics will make mom complete well, I don't know. I don't know this. Let me write for me. For you.
Is it in the city? Inside Thái Nguyên only or out of Thái Nguyên?
Yes.
So it's it's the ecosystem in the inside Thái Nguyên city.
I think that I don't know what.
You don't know, but it's gonna be a lot of fun going on a picnic. Okay,
Yeah.
and I hope it's gonna be sunny.
Sunny.
I hope it too. I don't want it raining.
Great. What about Peter?
What?
Peter, do you know what is tornado?
Tornado?
This one?
What's wrong with him?
Maybe his brother was around. That's why he had to talk to his brother.
His brother has something on his hand.
Yet he had a cut. Okay, now let's.
He cut his hand?
No, he bite his hand. He bite his fingers, and then the finger got infection. The virus keep on eating inside the fingers, and it's swollen up, and it's got hurt. So it's very dangerous. Tell your brother, don't bite your fingers. It's very dangerous. You could have a very high fever when the virus.
After our class in one day, my younger brother, he do not put the balloon in the bathroom more.
Really? What you talk to him or your mom talk to him? I
say, well, my mom, you need to talk to my younger brother. Do not put the balloon in the bathroom. Mom say, you can talk to him. I talked to him, but he don't hear. Then my dad helped me to talk. He talked to my younger brother, but he don't hear. And when he go to bed, he go to bed. When he is drawing, I put his balloon outside in the living room, and that's why he cannot see his balloon more.
But was he crying at that time?
No, he's not crying. He is very happy.
Really? So it was you change his mind. Good job. Bravo. Peter, what is going on?
Oh, my brother come to my room and he want me open the phone, but he wants many.
Your mom and your dad are not home?
Oh, my mommy take bath in, and
my mom is taking bath.
Take bath, and I study in the upstairs.
I study upstairs, not in the upstairs. So this is your room, your only room, or this is the room of this is your dad and your mom room?
Oh, my room.
Oh, you have your own room.
Yes.
That's cool. You had right, Peter, you had a very big house. How many rooms do you have in your house?
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Can't remember.
6, 7. 7
See, Sophia, he's a rich man.
Oh, no, I'm not rich.
Sorry. His family, his mom and his dad are rich, not him.
No, it's not rich.
No,
this is the My uncle house.
Huh? Not your house?
Just Uncle Kate.
Oh, what about your mom and your dad house?
Oh, we
You don't have a house.
don't live in the old house.
Why?
I don't know. I
But
only know.
it's far away from the school. Peter.
Oh, it's me.
All right, so Peter. Oh, I was thinking Peter, but anyway, that house looked very new and very big, Sophia, right? So if you want to live in a big and nice house, you need to be able to work hard. You need to work hard and do it by yourself. So you can build a big house, live in a very nice house, and a lot of people around to clean the house for you. Do you like that? Do you like to have a house with a swimming pool?
Yeah.
Yeah, that could be cool, right? Okay, come back to the weather effects. Let's say today we're going to talk about only one kind of extreme weathers. These are some kind of weathers. There are some kind of extreme weathers. We're going to talk about one. Extreme weather or severe weathers, it could cause a lot of problems, like volcanoes. It could cause you a lot of problems. Number one, Sophia, can you read this one?
Drought.
Drought. Good job.
Drought. An act of nature that occurs when an area doesn't receive enough rainfall, drying up rivers and lakes, killing trees and running crops.
Trees and ruining crops. Okay, so drought is mean the sun is it's sunny all the time.
It's in desert.
It's like it's like that. But normally this one didn't have desert. It's one place already. For example, in Namib City, you don't see rain for many years, many months, no rain. If you don't
It's
see
not
the
so
rain,
true.
sorry, say again, Peter.
It's not so true.
No, I'm saying, for example,
Okay.
a place that you don't see rain for many months. You don't see rain, no water. The tree cannot grow. There is no river because there is no water. There is no rainfall, and there is no. I think almost nothing can survive. Nothing can live in that fireplace that is drought.
Okay.
Okay, you should write down the new word. Drought means dry for a long time. For a long time, no rain and the tree and the crops and cannot grow. There is no lakes or river. That is drought.
It's like the desert.
It's like the what?
Desert. But
Yeah, desert. It's like the
desert.
desert. But
But some tree can growing up in the desert.
exactly, Sophia. But in this place, no, nothing can survive.